Good morning. I'm here to show you how to access your materials for your students through BCPS One. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on Schoology when your child logs in, and then they will click on Courses. Now, when my courses pull up, I have access to all three homerooms. I have access to Mrs. Hart, myself, Mrs. Luganbiel, and Miss Jansen. All three homerooms have the same materials pushed out. So it doesn't matter what homeroom your child is in, they're going to have the same materials as every other child. So I'm going to click on my homeroom just to show you. And when I click on my homeroom, it will come up the tabs on the left side. Sorry, it's taking a little longer to load. The tabs on the left, so I have materials, updates, gradebook. The first tab is the materials tab, which your child will find all of the resources that they need. So this week, what each teacher has done is they have pushed out their own folder of work. So Mrs. Hart has pushed out her own folder of work. I myself, Mrs. Luganbiel, have pushed out 5th grade math and 5th grade advanced math assignments. And then Mrs. Jansen has also pushed out some work. We also put down here some morning meeting questions because we run morning meetings every day in our classroom with kind of discussion questions, and we really enjoy those and we miss having those with our kiddos. So if your student would like to participate in the morning meeting questions, we encourage them to answer those as well. I also encourage your child to check BCPS One daily under the Updates tab. Oh boy, hang on. Under the Updates tab, because in the updates, I know myself that I've been posting every day kind of just good morning, I miss you, and reminders that like this week, for example, we're doing a virtual spirit week. So I've already had some kiddos send in pictures of themselves with their pets because today is National Puppy Day. So some people have sent in pictures of them with their dog or a stuffed animal or their cats, any type of pet that you might have. So this is our virtual spirit week, and that is under the updates on every homeroom. So I really encourage you to participate in the virtual Spirit Week, and as always, keep checking back to BCPS One or email us if you have any questions. We appreciate everything that you're doing for your child at home. Just remember that we are here for you, and again, we appreciate you. Thank you.